yum, yum.
Delicious. Subdivision. Tomlin Subdivision.
In Thunderbay, Thunderbay.
Detroit style pizza. And if you don't eat it, I'm gonna grab it right now.
Off of my feet. No, get away. Pro tip. When in Canada, if you like pepperoni pizza, when in Canada, always just ask to see the pepperoni before you order the pepperoni pizza. Just to make sure.
Delicious.
This stuff is delicious.
I like that.
Shit's delicious. All right.
Excellent. It has jalapeno hot honey in it. And if you don't, you better watch your piece. I did that piece.
Okay.
I'm all about it.
We came back to Tomlin Subdivision for another pizza. Today we got the pierogi. Like it. I can vouch for Tomlin Subdivision pizza. This should be good.